Today's topic will be dictionary. Now, dictionary is also a collection of items, but dictionary consists of key value pairs. So if you remember the previous data types like list, so a list contains a collection of items, right? And they have indices that are of type integer. But in a dictionary, you can have key and value. So key can be of any type and it can correspond to any value. So why do we need a dictionary? Okay, we have lists, we have tuples, we have sets, but why specifically a dictionary? So basically, if you have a real life situation in which you want to map a particular, say, topic to a subject, so in that case, you need some concept of a key value pair. And say you want to map a movie to a particular genre. In that case, also dictionary will be handy. Because dictionary is a lookup and not an iteration. So lookup means you search for a particular key that you're interested in, okay, and you can pick up the value from that key. That's how a dictionary works. That's the whole point of having a dictionary. And this is how you can declare a dictionary. You have these three key values, team, driver, year, and values corresponding to it, Red Bull Racing, Ricciardo, and 2021. Now I can print out the dictionary by just passing its name, or I can go to a particular key and print out the value at that key. So at key team, I have Red Bull Racing, and that gets printed here. Then another key point is, just like sets, dictionary doesn't allow duplicates. So you can see there are two keys, there are two values. So you cannot use this. This is not valid. Because then if I look up for year, then I have 2021 and 2020. This is going to give me some ambiguity, right? That's why by default duplicates are not allowed. So even if I have a duplicate, one of them will not be considered. So here 2021 because of the ascending order. So the first one will be chosen. So 2020 is chosen and 2021 is ignored. Then if you check for the type, it says dictionary. Also, if I can also store the value in a variable. Now, if I check the type of variable x, it will be, check the type of this variable. So you can see that the type is string because at this key value you have a string stored. Either you can access the particular value using the key or you can use get function also. Now there are some other functions, built-in functions that can be used. First one is keys. So it's going to give you the set of keys in your dictionary. So it's going to print out team, driver, and year, as you can see. Team, driver, and year. And for values, it will print out the values. And items, so items function will basically make a list out of every item in the dictionary. So this is how it will be printed. But if you check the type of A or type of B, it will say it's of dictionary keys type. Now you can also check if a particular key is present in in A, right? Or actually, in my dictionary, if this particular key is present or not can be checked. And if it's present, it's going to print yes. Now, the way we can access values from a particular key, there might be a question if we can access keys of a particular value. For example, if I want to check what is the value present or what is the key of my value Red Bull Racing, right? So how can I do that? So dictionary doesn't give anything inbuilt as such, because the concept of dictionary is to access a value from a key and not access a key from a value. So if you really want to get the index, the key of a particular value, what you would have to do is you'll have to first convert the keys dictionary into not dictionary. You have to convert dictionary keys into a list. Okay, so A has to be converted to a list. Then values will have to be converted to a list. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. Yeah, so this is how it's going to look. The list will be, we can convert it into a list, and then you can find out at which index is my value present. So Daniel is present at index 1. Then I can go to this keys list and find out the element present at index 1, and that's driver. So the key of the value Daniel will be driver. So that's how you can find out, but it's not really helpful. You don't really use it much. Okay, now we can look at updating values. You can definitely update values in a dictionary just by accessing the key and updating it with the new value. So now my dictionary has been changed. Or I can use update function also. Then adding elements, I can definitely add elements. I can give a key and I can add the value. I can also add a list corresponding to a particular key. Then I can remove elements from a dictionary. So by using pop and giving the key, I can remove the particular key from the dictionary. And if I just use pop item, this will pop the most recent item. So you can see that fan base high will be removed. Then I can use delete. So by using delete function and passing a particular key, I can remove only that key value pair from the dictionary. Okay, so if when I'm removing a key, so in a dictionary, key and value, they come together. So when I'm removing, both of them get removed together. I can also use clear. This will make the dictionary empty again, and then I can delete the dictionary as a whole. So the dictionary will not exist anymore. So if I try to print the dictionary, it will cause an error. Okay, you can see it no longer exists. So this is the type of error that's going to happen. Let's just comment it out and it runs fine. Now, how to loop through a dictionary? You can just use for X in the dictionary and can print the elements of the dictionary. It's not nothing different from the previous data types that we have seen. You can also print the values. You can print the keys. You can print the items also. So this is how different parts of the dictionary can get printed. Now, dictionaries are ordered for version 3.7 and higher, but for the earlier versions, it's not really ordered. Okay. So you can make a dictionary using ordered dictionary, and you will want to maintain the order. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't. So if I were using if I was using a version that was before 3.6, then this is how my output would be. Okay, it would not follow a particular order. Maybe once this gets printed first, or this gets printed first. So there's no particular order followed. But in the later versions, if this is how I am declaring my dictionary or assigning values to my dictionary, that order will be maintained. It will be remembered. I can also copy a dictionary by using copy function. So this my dictionary will have now values of this dictionary. I can have a dictionary inside a dictionary. So my family is this dictionary, and it has friend 1, friend 2, friend 3. Okay. So friend 1 is the key, and the value it stores is a dictionary in itself. I can print it. Another way of doing it is, okay, so I'll first make individual dictionaries and assign it to my dictionary variable. And then I'll create another dictionary and I'll have it assigned to the variable that's of dictionary type. So this is another way of declaring a nested dictionary. So that is it for the topic of dictionary. Hope these topics are clear. And thanks for watching.